Hello everyone, this is Nirmal, and today we are going to study maths, okay, of class 6, and the topic that we will discuss today is numbers in Indian and international systems. Okay, today we will talk about the systems, Indian and international systems, and at first we will talk about few terms that we use, okay, like unit, number, numeral, and numeration. In mathematics, unit means a single thing. For a single thing we use unit, okay. If anything is single in means one, then for that we use the word unit, okay. Unit means single thing. The number written before the name of a unit indicates that how many times that unit is taken. Suppose that we measure the cloth and it is 4 meter. 4 meters means what? It is the unit, means particular length has been assumed as meter. Okay, suppose that this much length is 1 meter. Okay, particular length has been assumed as a unit. Okay, suppose that this much length is unit meter. Got? Then what is the meaning of 4 meter? 4 meter means this will be taken 4 times. Okay, 1 meter, that meter, whatever the length is there of meter, that will be taken 4 times. It means 4 meter. That one it is saying that the number written before the name of the unit. Suppose that this is unit, and before that whatever number will be written, 4, 5, 6, anything. Suppose that 4 is written, then it indicates that how many times that unit is taken. It means if it is 4 before meter, it means meter has been taken 4 times. Whatever the length of meter is there, that will be taken 4 times. It means 4 meter. Suppose that 1 feet is there, 1 foot is there, and then that will be, and we'll talk about that 2 feet. Okay, 2 feet. What does it mean? That that foot will be taken 2 times. 2 feet means foot will be taken 2 times, that means 2 feet. If we will say that 5 kg, what does it mean? 5 kg. 5 kg means, actually before unit what is written 5, it means kg is taken 5 times. It is a unit. Suppose that a particular quantity of the thing, okay, has been taken assumed as kg, and that will be taken 4 times or 5 times. It means 5 kg, means repetition of that unit. Got it? So if number and unit is there, it means that number indicates the number of times, okay, that number of times which has been taken, okay, that many times has been taken the units. For example, it is there that 7 kg means what? That the unit of weight, that kg, has been taken 7 times. Got it? 18 liter means what? Liter has been taken 18 times. So this number indicates the number of times of that unit. I hope that you understood. Now numeral. What is numeral? Actually, symbolic representation of a number is called numeral. We know that the numbers are written in the using the symbols. There are 10 symbols in the Hindu Arabic numerals that already we have studied in the first chapter. If you have not watched that first chapter, number system, then watch. In that digits, symbols, numbers, etc. has been explained. Okay, so if any number is explained, okay, number can be represented in 2 forms. In the form of the symbols like this, okay, these are the symbols: 7, 56, 0. Okay, 56 has been represented in this 2 symbols have been used, 5 and 6. In this 1 symbol has been used, that is 7. In this 1 symbol is used, 0. So numbers can be represented using symbols, or it can be represented in words, okay, like this SEV 7. Okay, it means the number is represented in the words. Got it? So whenever the number is represented in the form of symbol, it means symbolic representation. Okay, then that number, that representation is called numeral. A symbolic representation of number is called numeral. Suppose that 7 number is there, 7, and it is being represented using the symbol, it means this, then this is numeral. Okay, this is numeral. 56 is being represented using symbol. It is the symbolic representation of 56. It is symbolic representation of 0. So these are numerals. But the same number, if it will be represented in words, okay, in words, then that will be known as numeration. SEVEN, 7, it is numeration. 56, FIFTY, 50, SIX, this is numeration. This is numeration. So I hope that you have understood the difference between the numeral and numeration. Now we'll talk about the systems of numeration. Okay, systems of numeration. Generally we use two systems: Indian system of numeration and international system of numeration. So one by one we will talk about these numerations, systems. So first we will talk about Indian system of numeration. So in this system, for the numeration we read ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, and so on from right to left. Obviously whenever we will have to read any number, okay, or we'll have to numerate any number, then how we read? From right to left, as ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, like this. Okay, in this we make the group of 3 digits and then every 2 digits from right to left. Let's take example here. Okay, through this we'll learn, we'll study, we'll understand. Before that, one more thing, that Hindu Arabic system, okay, this is only in the Indian system. Hindu Arabic system you must have heard. Okay, another name is there. Its another name is Indian system of numeration. Actually this system was developed by the ancient Hindu mathematicians in India. Okay, and it was carried to the west, okay, to the west by Arabs. Arabs means what? The people who live in Saudi Arabia, etc. Okay, so though they are called Arabs. Arabs means this is not Arab, Kharab, or that Karos, etc. That it is not that Arab. This Arab, like we use the Indian, we are Indian. Okay, so who lives in Arab, those are called Arabs. So actually this system was developed by ancient Hindu mathematicians and in India, and it was carried to the west by Arabs, and there it was being used. So for this reason this is called Hindu Arabic system of numeration. Okay, actually Indian system is only the Hindu Arabic system of numeration. Got it? In Indian system, Indian number system, 10 symbols we use, and those are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. There are total 10 symbols that we know already, and used to write a number, that means numeral. Each of these 10 symbols is called digit, and these symbols are also known as digits. Suppose that I will add 256. So there are 3 digits in this number. How many digits? 3 digits. Got it? So we have understood about this. Now we are talking about the Indian system numeration, that for the numeration, suppose that I will take this number, this is the number. So if I will say that read this number, what is written here, okay, numerate this number, then what will you do? Obviously you will start, okay, this is the same number I have written here. You will start reading from right to left. How? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. Got it? So these numbers separately have been written. Actually the numbers are grouped. Okay, numbers are divided into many groups. Okay, those groups are known as ones, and then thousands, lakhs, crores. Okay, these are known as periods, and according to periods only, on the basis of periods only, we numerate the number. Okay, so numbers, the digits, all the digits are grouped or classified into the groups. Okay, and these groups are these: ones, thousands, lakhs, and crores, and these groups are known as periods. And again periods are subdivided into smaller groups, okay, like ones, tens, hundreds. Okay, ones group is divided into 3 subgroups, and those are ones, tens, hundred, and it is used for every single digit. Okay, and thousands are divided into two, thousands and 10,000s, lakhs also into, and crores also into, like that. It means only once period is divided into three and rest into two. Okay, so we can see that if we will start reading from right to left, then one, this one comes, the ones is at the which place, ones place. If we will write these digits in the box A, then in the ones, at the ones place 1 is there, at the tens place 2 is there, at the hundreds place 3 is there, and so on. Got it? And we will see that these comes in the ones period, these two comes in the thousand period, these comes in the lakhs period, and these comes in the crores period. Got it? In ones period 3 digit comes, and after that in the thousands, lakhs, and crores, two digits come. So how to numerate the number? Suppose that we have to read this number. Now you see that in the lakhs, according to the period we numerate the number. Okay, you can see that this, in this number, the numbers are up to the crores period. Okay, and in the crores period two digits are there, 9 and 8. 9 is in the 10 crores, and 8 is at the crores period. So both will be read together. We read according to the period, and in the crores period two are there, 9 and 8. Which are there, 9 and 8. It means together it will be read, it is 98. Okay, so 98 crore. So we will read that 98 crore, and after that 7 and 6 are there, which is 7 and 6, and both are in the lakhs period. So according to period, in one period whatever the digits will be there, all will be read together, all will be taken together. Okay, so in the lakhs period 7 and 6, it means what will be 7 6 76. It means 76 what, lakhs. Why? Because they are in the lakhs period. So 76 lakh. And after that in the thousands period, which digits are there, 5 and 4. So 5 4 means what, 54. Okay, 5 4, these two comes in the thousands period. So 5 4 54, it means 54,000. Why? Because these two belongs to the thousands period. Got it? These two were in the crores period, that's why 90 crore, and these two were in the lakhs period, that's why 76 lakh. Got it? Now these two in the thousands period, that's why 54,000. Now which period is left, ones period, and in this the all comes, these all three, okay, comes. It means these three will be read together, 3 to 1. It means what is this, 321. So it will be read together, 321. Okay, so according to the period we read the number, we numerate the number. Got it? I hope that you understood. In one period whatever digits comes, they are read together. Okay, that's why 98 crore, 76 lakhs, 54,321, because this belongs to this belongs to this period, this belongs to this period, and this belongs to this period. Okay, so we have understood that how to numerate the number according to Indian system of numeration. Now we'll talk about the international system of numeration. Okay, in this system, for the numeration we read as ones, tens, hundred, thousands, 10,000, 100,000. Okay, in this we will read up to 100. Okay, in Indian system we were reading up to 10,000, after that lakhs start. Okay, but here after 10,000, 100,000s come, and after that millions. In Indian system of numeration, after 10,000 what comes, lakhs. Okay, but here millions, then 10 millions, and 100 millions. Okay, in this everything will go up to 100. Okay, thousands will go up to 100, millions will go up to 100. After millions what comes, billions, 10 billions, and 100 billions comes. Okay, so we have understood. Let me repeat, which comes ones, tens, hundreds, after that thousands, 10,000 and 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 millions, billion, 10 billion, and 100 billions, and so on. And how we read right to left, obviously. In this we make the group of 3 digits. Okay, 3 digits, and place the comma accordingly. Placing the comma we will read. Okay, so in this we make the group of 3. Okay, in this at first 3 and then 2 were there, but in the international system there we make the group of 3 means in each period there are 3 digits. So here also, in this also the periods are there. It means the digits are divided into the groups, into periods. Groups means what? Periods. And which periods are there? Ones, thousands, millions and billions. Got it? Ones, thousands, millions and billions. And these all these periods contains three digits. Okay, in ones period 3 digits are there, 1000s period 3 digits are there, millions period 3 digits are there, and billions period 3 digits are there. Somebody asked that, some students asked that what comes after billions. Obviously after billions trillion comes. Okay, but in your syllabus up to billion only you have to study. After trillion something else also comes. Okay, got to know, after billion trillion comes. So for your knowledge I have said, but it is not in your syllabus. So now ones period has been divided into ones, tens and hundreds and thousands, 10,000s and 100,000s. Everything will be divided into 3 every period will be divided into 3. Now millions, 10 millions, 100 millions, billions, 10 billions and 100 billions. Got it? Now how to numerate the number? Obviously according to the period. First this period, billions period, what comes in this? 981. I have taken the example this number. Okay, so the same I have written here. So 981 means what? 981. So these will be read together. 981 is the in which? Billions period. It means it will be read as 981 billion. What? 981 billion. After that we will talk about the million period. This in the million period also 3 digits are there. It means 604. What will be read? Will we read it? 604. So 604 what? 604 million. Why? Because this comes under the period of millions. Got it? So 604 million. 604 million. Now we will talk about the period thousand. So how many digits are there? 3, 6, 5, 4. It means 654 what? Thousands. So 654,000. Now in ones period what is there? 3 to 1. It means 321. So 321. I hope that you understood that how to numerate the numbers according to international system of numeration. Okay, these 3 comes in the billions, these 3 comes in the millions, these 3 comes in the thousands, these 3 comes in the ones. That's why according to period this means what? What is this? 981. It means 981 what? Billion, because it is in the billions period. Again 604 million. That's why 604 million, and 654,000, 654,000, and at last 321. So I hope that you understood. Got it? That how to numerate. Okay, how to put the comma? If we will talk about the putting the comma, how to put? Actually commas are inserted in the number to separate the periods. To separate the period. Suppose that we'll talk about this number only, that put the comma. Okay, so we'll put the comma. How? To separate the periods. It means after one period we'll put the comma, after second period we'll put the comma. So first comma will be put here. Okay, because after 3 means after 3 this 4 comes, and this comes in the another period. Okay, this comes in the ones period, and from here thousands period it starts. So to separate we put the comma, and after thousand period we put the comma, again after millions period we put the comma, and after billions nothing is there. So in the beginning here no need to put the comma. Any digit would be there, then we would put the comma after billions period. Okay, so what we do the answer? 981, then comma 604, then comma 654, then comma 321. Okay, commas are placed to separate the periods. In the Indian system also we'll do the same thing. Okay, let me show you. Suppose that we'll talk about this. So after here what starts? Thousands. So here we'll put the comma, After thousands period, we will put the comma here. After lakhs period, we will put the comma here. Got it? If we will write the number, then how will you write? 9, 8, then comma, 76, then comma, after that 54, then comma, 321. Got it? So any number will be given, then easily you can put the comma. Suppose that I'll give you 9, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, how will you put the comma? After ones period, ones, tens, hundred. After this, what thousands starts, so I'll put the comma here. And lakhs, 10 lakhs, and comma, because from here crores period starts, so I put the comma like this according to the Indian system of numeration. So I hope you understood that how to put the comma according to both the systems. Got it? Okay, there are some rules that how to numerate the number. Suppose that here, okay, 3 rules are there. First one is saying that do not write the periods in plural. Never write the periods in plural. Suppose that 5000, this is the number 5493. If you will numerate it, then what will you say? Ones, tens, 100,000. It means 5400. So 5000, not thousands. Got it? It comes in the, actually we are writing 1000 for what? Because it comes in the thousands period. Okay, but don't never write it in plural. Only singular will be written. It will be written always in singular form. Okay, so it is saying never write, do not write the periods in plural. So here 5400. Okay, 93, don't write that 5000. No, this is wrong. 400s, no, periods are not written in the plural form. Periods are written in the singular form. Got it? Now second rule, do not use the word and before tens and ones. Suppose that if you want to add or write and, then before ones period always it is written. Before ones period. Got it? Suppose that the example is there that 5923, sorry, 93. How do you write? 5493, correct form. Okay, never write and before tens and ones. Never. Tens and ones it is not written. It is written before 100. It means before ones period. Before ones period it is written. Suppose that, let me take example. Suppose that we'll talk about this number. How will you say? Actually before ones tens we can't write and. Okay, so we can add the and here if we are going to numerate before ones period. So we can say that 98 crore. Okay, 98 crore, 76 lakh, 54,000, and here you can put and. Got it? Here you can put and. Okay, here after thousands period and before ones period, it means before hundreds place. Got it? Before hundreds place. So here you can put and then you can add 321. Okay, never add that 321. No, the and is used before the ones period in both the systems. Suppose that if we will write this, okay, how will you write? 981 billion, okay, and after that 604 million, and 654,000, and here means here it starts. Which period? Ones period starts. So before ones period you can put, okay, 321. So here you can add and 321. Okay, never write before ones place. No, before hundreds place. It means before ones period, not the ones place. Got it? So and is placed before the ones period. I hope that you understood the second rule. Now do not put commas when writing the numeral. Okay, writing the numeral. Suppose so never write as okay, if you are going to numerate, it means if you are going to write in words, okay, then don't put comma. Commas are used when we write the numbers using the symbols, using the digits. Got it? So never put the comma if you are going to write in words. Suppose that if you have to write this in word, then 2000, what is this? It is 2468. So don't add the 2000 and then comma 400 then comma 68. No, it is the incorrect way. Okay, in the numeration we don't use the comma, simply write 2468. Got it? Commas are used in the what? Numeral. When we write the number in the symbols, using the symbols, using the digits. Okay, so all of these rules you have understood, and this much is only there for chapter 3. So I hope that you have understood. Now you are able to do all the questions of exercise 3. So this is your homework. So you will do all the questions of exercise 3. Okay, so this much only. Now bye, have a nice day.